In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation form to your Wix website in just a few minutes. Whether you're a non-profit organization or an individual looking to raise funds for a cause, adding a donation form can be a vital component in your strategy. With Wix, this process is not only straightforward but also quick, allowing you to streamline actions and focus on what really matters, reaching your goals. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to make all necessary changes or additions to your site with just a few clicks. Once you are in the editor, glance over to the toolbox on the left hand side. You'll notice a small plus icon which appears like an add button. You'll want to click on this icon. Clicking this will open up a menu filled with various options and elements you can add to your site. It is here that we begin customizing your site with specific elements designed to meet your needs. Within the menu, you're going to look for an option labeled Payments. This is crucial for our donation setup, as it includes functionalities directly related to financial transactions. Click on that Payments option. With that done, your next action should be to select Donation, which will allow you access to custom templates designed specifically for fundraising purposes. This option will lead you to a collection of different templates that are tailored for donation purposes. From here, select the template that best fits your site's aesthetic and functional needs. Do take your time assessing which one aligns with your vision. After selecting the desired template, you need to fine-tune the form to match your requirements. To do this, navigate to Form Settings. Clicking here will give you options to adjust and personalize your donation form, ensuring it aligns with your goals and messaging. Adjustments might include setting suggested donation amounts, or customizing what information you ask from donors. While you're there, make sure to hit the Settings option within Form Settings. This is where you can further refine your form, perhaps by adding a thank you message for your donors. Next, configuring the Submit message is essential. This option will determine the message displayed to users post-submission, providing a professional and personalized touch. Now click on Payment and select Get Started to initiate setting up how you'll handle transactions, crucial to your form's success. Additionally, you might explore the Conditions tab. This allows you to specify particular rules and workflows your form might require. You want to consider conditions that could make processing donations seamless. Find the Add New Rule button and explore how rules might enhance your donation strategy. Lastly, head over to Contacts and consider adding relevant fields to capture necessary information from donors. Click on Add New Field to customize what you need, ensuring that you gather important data to aid in donor relationships and further engagement. And that's it, your donation form is ready to start accepting contributions. Hopefully this walkthrough has given you the guidance you need to create a functional and effective donation form. Remember, it's all about making it easy for donors to give, thereby helping you hammer away at those goals.